Hi everybody, Connor here, and here's my lifelong learning presentation. So why is lifelong learning important? In my opinion, it pushes us and challenges us and makes us get out of our comfort zone, and that prevents us from becoming stuck in a rut or just maintaining the status quo, not really ever pushing ourselves or challenging ourselves. And this can provide us with new opportunities, new advancement opportunities, upward mobility, and just becoming more well-rounded individuals. Skill 1, so the German language. Aber ich kann euch das nicht mit einem Foto zeigen, deswegen wollte ich ein bisschen Deutsch reden und beschreiben, wie ich Deutsch angefangen zu sprechen habe. So, ich habe Deutsch angefangen zu lernen im Januar 2019, als ich ein On-Campus-Student bei Colorado State University war. Dann bin ich da nach Deutschland umgezogen und ja, mittlerweile kann ich ziemlich gut Deutsch reden, meiner Meinung nach. Second personal skill is this semester I've been learning how to write HTML. It's still in the early stages, but it's been cool to see how the elements go together and just learning more about it. This is a screenshot from one of our assignments that we had so far this semester, and I've really been enjoying it, and I'm excited to see where it goes. My third skill is getting comfortable with Premiere Pro and Photoshop, so pretty much the Adobe suite. This is an example from a mock advertisement I did for one of my previous classes in Photoshop. For Babbel, the language learning company, and also linked my website on there, my Wix site for portfolio, in case anybody wants to look at the videos and stuff I've made with Premiere Pro. So for the future project, I want to do either a video or a podcast, but I've never made a podcast before, so I'm kind of leaning towards that. And on LinkedIn Learning, I found a couple of these, and this one by Danny Osmond seemed pretty good according to the description. So the three skills I want to learn before this and take into this project are interviewing skills, persuasion skills, or video storytelling, and just beefing up my video editing skills. Thanks.